Hey guys, welcome. Now in this section we will study the single line diagram of an incomer. So incomer basically is a feeder which is feeding a power to MV switchgear. So you can see in this diagram, this is the single line diagram, and this is basically the bus bar of the MV switchgear, and you can see the rating here. The rating of bus bar here is 3150 ampere. This is the continuous rating where the bus bar can bear this much of current without getting overheated. This is the voltage level of the bus bar, that is 11 kV, and this is the short circuit rating of the bus bar, that is 31.5 kiloamperes for 3 seconds. So this bus bar can bear 31.5 kiloampere for the time duration of 3 seconds. 50 hertz is basically the frequency. So you can see the bus bar is then connected to a circuit breaker, which is shown as a Q0. Here you can see the circuit breaker rating is same as bus bar, that is equal to 3150 amperes, and you can see this basically circuit breaker is motor operated. It is spring charge and it is motor operated. You can see here the selection of local and remote. If the selection is a remote, you cannot operate it at the mimic of the MV switch gear. It will be operated through a control room. If you keep it as a local, then you can operate this at the MV switch gear. So this is basically the operation switch SA2. You can open and close through this switch. Then you have overcurrent relay. You can see this sign. The current is fed to F650 is overcurrent relay, is fed to the relay through CT, and it is a 3-core CT, and the ratio of CT is 2500 divided by 5 ampere, and 5P20 is basically the accuracy class. It means 20 times at 20 times fault current, 5% error will be there, and the name of CT is 2TA, and when the relay will pick up, it will immediately trip the breaker after a preset time delay. You can see this is basically the metering CT. Insulation class of metering CT is 0.2, and VA burden is 10 VA. Ratio is 2500 by 5 amperes. This CT you can see is a spare, no, it's not used, so it will be shorted. Here you can see this is the cable is coming here. It is called as a cable end. This is the indication, which is capacitive voltage indicator that we have seen. This will be glowing and continuously on and off if the cable is alive. So you can, using this indication, you can make sure that cable is live or not. Then you can see here there is a voltage transformer installed here, which is transferring the voltage from 11 kV to 100 volts. So they have shown both readings in kV, and then you can see it is accuracy class is 0.2 and 50 volt amperes. So this is basically the single line diagram for the incomer. So we will move to our next topic. Thank you very much.